In this video we will practice a function one more time, and in the next video I will show you what docstring means. So in this video we will do only the function. So for example, I will create something like greet function, and there will be two parameters, name and age. So I would like to check the age first. So if age is less than 18, so it means I will print f string like hi name, like hi Peter, for example. You are still young, because he is under 18. Else I will print something like good day, some name, for example Peter, welcome. So it means you can go, you can enter our club, for example. So, and here will be example usage. So how does it work? So greet, I would put here Peter, for example, it will be name, and age, it will be 15 only. So if I run it, so we will see, hi Peter, you are still young, okay? And here I would call it again, for example Jane, she will be 25 years old, and it means good day Jane, welcome. So here Peter is name, 15 is age, and 15 is less than 18. Yes, it's true, so we will print this. Jane is name, 25 is age. So if the age is less than 18, it means 25 is less than 18, it's false. So it means we will skip it and we will run this code like print good day Jane, welcome. Okay, so that's it. That's the function, and in the next video I will show you the docstring.